Hello, radiant parents and guardians. Welcome to another wisdom-filled episode of Enny's Diamond Stories, where deep truths flow like rivers and ordinary moments become seeds of legacy. Today's story isn't fiction. It's a guide, a whisper, a wake-up call. It's about raising boys who grow into men that serve, support, and strengthen the home, not just with muscles or money, but with compassion, towels, and their own two hands. Let's explore 20 practical ways we, as parents and guardians, can build that future, one life skill at a time. 1. Start early. Chores aren't for teenagers alone. They're for toddlers too. A 3-year-old can learn to pack away toys after playtime. A 5-year-old can place spoons in a drawer. Let the broom become familiar before the phone does. 2. Remove gender labels from tasks. Stop saying, "That's for girls." Life doesn't work like that. When sweeping needs to be done, hand the broom to your son just like you would to your daughter. Let it be normal for him to dust the furniture just as it's normal to play football. 3. Model it first. Children don't listen to lectures. They copy behavior. Let your son walk in and see his dad washing plates or vacuuming the floor. Let your actions preach louder than words. 4. Assign rotational chores. Routine builds balance. Rotation builds empathy. Create a family chart. Week 1. Son sets the table, daughter clears it. Week 2. Switch. This way, everyone understands what the other does. 5. Celebrate responsibility, not just academics. Every achievement matters, not just report cards. When your son lays his bed well or cleans his room, smile, thank him, or leave a sweet note. Let him feel the joy of doing good. 6. Teach chores with patience, not pressure. Mistakes are proof that someone is learning. If he spills water while mopping or breaks a plate, guide him gently. Correct the technique, not the person. 7. Make chores a bonding time. Fun turns effort into joy. Play upbeat music while cleaning together on Saturdays. Laugh while folding laundry. Let it become a tradition of teamwork. 8. Give tasks that build pride. Let chores connect with their identity and dignity. Let your son choose his favorite towel and hang it every morning. Let him be the one to organize his books and clean his shoes before Sunday service. 9. Use chores as life lessons. Chores shape the inner man. Teach him that ironing his clothes shows he values presentation. Explain how washing dishes trains focus and responsibility. 10. Say the quiet things out loud. Don't assume they know why it matters. Say things like, "Serving others is a strength," or "Real men protect by helping." Let him know that his actions shape hearts, not just homes. 11. Expose them to male role models who serve. Let them see what good looks like. Take them to community cleanup projects where men are actively involved. Show them videos of male chefs or dads changing diapers. 12. Involve them in family planning. Let them understand the bigger picture. Invite him to join in planning the family grocery list. Let him suggest meals for the week and help in preparing them. 13. Let boys cook without shame. The kitchen is for survival, not stereotypes. Teach him how to fry eggs, boil rice, and make simple meals like noodles or toast. Let him prepare breakfast for the family once a week. 14. Break the provider-only mentality. Earning is just one part of manhood. If you hear your son say, "That's mum's job," sit with him and unpack why love means sharing, not outsourcing. 15. Speak positively about men who help. Let your praise build pillars, not shame. When a male relative helps with chores, speak highly of him. Say things like, "That's a strong man," instead of, "He's doing woman's work." 16. Avoid rewarding boys for basic help. Don't overpraise basic responsibility. If he washes 2 dishes, don't act like he's won a trophy. Say thank you as you would to anyone contributing, casually and kindly. 17. Let boys babysit siblings. Caregiving is for everyone. Ask your son to watch over his younger sibling while you take a call. Let him learn how to change diapers, feed a toddler, or calm a crying child. 18. Involve them in laundry. It's one of the easiest but most avoided tasks. Let your son sort clothes into colors, press the buttons on the washing machine, and learn how to fold shirts properly. 19. Set expectations early in marriage talks. Marriage is more than rings and romance. When your son talks about his future home, ask what kind of husband he wants to be. Encourage him to see household support as part of love, not an option. 20. Keep teaching even when they resist. Repetition builds character. If he complains, whines, or does it halfway, don't take over. Show him again. Remind him why it matters. Stay patient and firm. You're planting seeds that will bloom in future homes. If we all did this, raised boys who saw cleaning not as shame but as service, who saw chores not as punishment but partnership, what a world we would have. Daughters would smile more. Wives would breathe easier. Homes would run like symphonies, not factories. The way we raise boys is the way we shape tomorrow. Let's not hand them the burden of ego and entitlement. Let's hand them tools, mops, pans, baskets, and love. Let's show them that service is not slavery. It's strength in its highest form. Did today's story plant a seed in your heart? Then don't let it end here. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to Enny's Diamond Stories. Together, we're building homes that last and raising sons who lead with heart, hand, and humility. Let's roll up our sleeves. The future is watching. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.